What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to the car wash to pick some things I forgot. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go have some fun. Hopefully I'm going to find my things intact. I forgot my water bottle, the oil bottle, the first aid kit, and the reflectors for the car. So as they were washing the car, they took them out and forgot to put them back. So let's see, guys, if Brillo car wash has my things. The previous video, if you didn't watch, I recommended them as one of the best car washes in Kenya, which is true, but let's go and find out. Okay, here we go again.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Here we go again. Here we go again. So guys, I've decided to take a walk as I wait for the car to be washed. This is how Kitengela looks like. So there are a lot of hardware shops here and garages and also clubs. That's a club called Vicos in front of us. Another one called Man Cave. We have a water tower. So guys, I've decided to come and eat somewhere in the Kibadavski. This is how it looks like. So this is what I'm having. This is viazi karai. Unaitwaje viazi? Viazi karai. Okay. Viazi karai. So let's see how it tastes like. So those viazi karai were on point. I even took some takeaway. Ai. By the way, unafanya kazi mzuri.
endelea hivyo hivyo. Sasa unafaa kujua kuendesha, unafaa ujifunze kuendesha gari yeah. Lakini kwanza unafaa kuwa na interest, unafaa kuwa na interest. Gari imeng'ara. Man, this guy is awesome. Looks good. Brillo car wash. That's what's up.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Here we go again. So we go to 2. Oh shit. Here we go again, man. Comfort zone. Shit. Here we go again. Here we go again.